Hello everybody, today I'm at Spirit Ford taking a look at the 2018 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350. As you can see, it says Shelby right on the front splitter. This vehicle has a 5.2 liter V8 producing 526 horsepower and 429 foot-pounds of torque. As you can see, you have really nice large Brembo brakes. See a little GT350 badge in front of the door. Working our way to the back, you see your dual exhaust with your Shelby badging. The reverse light is at the bottom as well. Very pretty blue with a black racing stripe with white piping. Again, there's another shot of the Brembo brakes. Nice black side skirting. There's your GT350 badge. Really nice, aggressive looking vehicle.
Let's take a closer look at the interior on this GT350. Starting over on the left side, you have this leather and like Alcantara with nice white piping that kind of continues throughout the entire interior of the vehicle. You have all your window and mirror buttons right here. Lock and unlock. All of your lighting control buttons are there. On the steering wheel, you have your hands-free phone calling buttons there. This is the control pad for the information cluster I'll get to in a second. Over here we have all your sport modes and stuff. And over here is your volume controls for the radio. Up here we have all sorts of information. Engage mode. You can just scroll through and look at your parameters. Coming up over here, we have a heating and cooling vent for driver and passenger. Then we have your oil pressure gauge, or oil PSI, and then your oil temp gauge. Under that we have Sync's new, I think Sync 3, which is really nice and responsive. We have all your controls for your radio right there. I don't know how well you'll be able to see it with the lighting. Under that we have all your heating and cooling controls. This does come with heated and cooled, or heated and ventilated front seats. Under that we have your push button start, hazard lights, traction control on off, launch control. I believe that's some sort of exhaust note control. So I think the Corvettes have like a stealth mode. I believe that's what that is. Under that we have a USB port and a little cubby, your 6-speed transmission, parking brake, 2 cup holders. Behind that we have a little storage cubby right here with a USB and a 12-volt outlet right there. You do have a little dimple for cord management, which is nice, and you have a spot for a pen right there. Moving over to this passenger seat, crazy bolsters. I mean, this car has a ton of horsepower, and these seats definitely keep you planted. As you can see, GT350 on the seat. Coming up here, you have your GT350 logo with your chassis and your chassis serial number. Very cool. Another heating and cooling vent over there. Mirror up top. Standard halogen map lights, universal 3-door garage remote, and lit vanity. Not much room in the back seats, as you can see, so I'm not even going to try to get back there. Let's take a look at the window sticker real quick.
The window sticker on this vehicle again, Shelby GT350, 5.2 liter V8. There's all of your standard features right there. As you can see, a lot of standard features, and then we move down to our optional equipment right there. A lot of optional equipment as well. It does come with Sync 3. Here's your fuel economy ratings: 14 city, 21 highway, for a combined of 16 miles to the gallon. There's your MSRP of $61,990. I'd like to thank Spirit Ford for allowing me to come to their dealership today and do a video walkthrough on this vehicle. If you're interested in this vehicle or would like to get one ordered from Spirit Ford, I'll put all the contact info in the description below. Like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.